How to change country or region and language on Amazon app. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can change language or region and country on Amazon application. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to launch the Amazon application in your mobile device and make sure to log in into your account. So once you're logged in from the home page, navigate to the bottom of the interface. There is a bar. There, tap on your profile icon. Once you get on this interface, navigate to top right. There is a small country with its flag symbol. You have to tap on that. Then you will land on this section that says country, region and language. So from here you can change your country along with the language. First of all, tap on the country or region drop down and from here select your country. And with that, the interface will be changed automatically, as you can see. Or if you want a different language, tap on language option and from here you can select your preferred language. So once done, in order to save your settings, tap on done button and with that your country, region and language will be changed. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.